guys, it's Keandra and welcome back to my channel. So this video is sponsored by Lankiz Lashes on Amazon, and they sent me their tweezers and their individual lashes to review. So let's get into this unboxing. So as you guys know, I kind of dabble in doing my own eyelash extensions, and so when they reached out to me, I was like, great, now I can finally practice so that I can do the real thing instead of like the clusters I normally do, which are nothing wrong with the clusters, but eventually, I do want to know how to do the individual lashes. So they sent me their diamond grip tweezers, and these are high precision tips tweezers that help with extension picking and fan baking, and they're just like the perfect tweezer tips to help deliver a professional eyelash extension look. They do have premium 420 Japanese stainless steel with long resilience and anti-static and rust-free quality, making these tweezers super durable and long lasting. Now this set comes with 5 different tweezers that cover all the steps of eyelash application: the curved tweezer for isolation, a boot volume tweezer with a large grab area, the 90-degree tweezer for the pinching method, the wide and thin 75-degree tweezer for 3D to 20D fan making, and is suitable for both advanced and beginner lash artists that want to create the perfect fans. Now, you're going to see me later on trying to make a fan, but clearly I'm not a lash tech, but I do look forward to practicing later on. Those tweezers are very heavy duty and very, very sharp, as you guys can see. So I cannot wait to practice fan making. And they also come in different colors. They have gold, they have silver, and as you guys see in the title, this is all on Amazon, which means if you have Amazon Prime, you can get these tomorrow. Next, we have the individual lashes that they sent me. Now, these are, I think, 0.8 millimeters all the way to 15. And I love a nice natural set. I usually try, if I'm trying to go for a natural look, I don't go over 15, and I do like the cat eye look. So these are actually perfect for that look if you do like a more natural look and you wear a cat eye. I normally do like a 12, 13, 14, 15. That's normally my lengths that I go on my eyelashes. And so I'm just going to take one of the tweezers. It doesn't really, I mean, it does matter, but you guys know I'm not a lash tech, at least not yet, but it is something that I am working towards. And so they were so easy to pick up, as you guys can see. Now, I just picked up one at first just to show you guys that you could. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but once it's time to start making fans, that's when the magic really happens. Now, I'm not a pro at making fans yet. I've probably only made like one or two ever in my life just by practicing, but these are, like I said, the perfect tweezers to use to teach yourself or watch YouTube videos or however you want to do it. I picked up a couple with the lashes just to show you guys the precision that those tweezers have and how easy it is to use them. The lashes are super duper soft and super super full. I know for me as a black woman, sometimes it's hard to find lashes that show up on my dark skin. And I can already tell these are going to do wonders. So I'm looking forward to, making my fans. And I want to thank Lankiz for sending me these products to share with you all. And if you are interested in either of these products, then the links to these products will be in my description box down below. And like I said, they are on Amazon. So if you have Prime, you can definitely get it by tomorrow. But even if you don't have Prime, it take about 3 to 5 business days. I want to thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye guys.